Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be messing with some AC stuff. We're going to be swapping out this AC unit right here. I guess a common problem with some of these Hondas, specifically a 95, is this AC button. It goes bad. And I've done mess with the AC 3-4 times now. Kind of narrowed it down to being this. I read some old forums and stuff, so hopefully she'll do the trick. Crossing my fingers. So we're gonna go ahead and start taking, we gotta take this dash out, we gotta take this radio out to get, before we get to that. So that's gonna come out, we gotta take all that out. 2 screws up here, and I believe there's 1 or 2 on both sides. So we're gonna go ahead and take that off and go from there. All right, we got that pulled back. It was just these 2 right here, these 2 screws, and there's 1 screw on each side. Now we're gonna go ahead and unplug this little harness right here and unplug the cigarette thing. I guess I don't need to unplug that. So come straight back, we'll set it over here to the side. Oops. Okay. Now I believe we're gonna take the radio out now, so looks like these right here is what's holding it in, that one, and this one right here. And then start unplugging some of these harnesses and see if we can pull it out. I took those 2 gold screws out. This guy's pulling it straight on out. I'm just gonna unplug these couple harnesses. Dang, this thing's like fresh still, man. Look at that. Wow. Okay, we unplugged that main radio harness. I just left that out a little, I believe that's for the radio. I left that in there. Hopefully it won't be in the way. If I need to, I'll take it out, but I'm gonna push the harness down, get it out of the way, and this is gonna be a pain. I believe I'm gonna need to go to the store and get a special tool. It's like that little screwdriver. It's like a 1/4 inch where it's like just long and points up. Like almost like a little ratchet, like a screwdriver, and I do not have that. My damn screwdriver is freaking big boy, so might have to run to the store quick. So I tried it. I can get to the screw in the very back. There's 1 in the very back, and then there's 2 up front. The one in the back, the screw's a little bit smaller than what size the screwdriver is. So I'm gonna run inside, see if I have something else I could use quick. If not, I'll have to go get the little ratchet screwdriver thing. So 1 second. So I got this one back here. If you can't really see, the freaking sun's. So I got this screw that was right here. But there's 2 more right behind this, and with this being in the way down here, I can't really get to it, so I'm gonna have to go get that little ratchet screwdriver before I finish this. So after I get those 2 loose, this is gonna pull straight back. We'll swap it out, throw everything back together, and see if she works. This won't focus. There it is. So we're gonna go ahead and run to Lowe's, see if we can grab that tool quick, and come back and swap it out. All right, got what I needed. It's like a little 1/4 inch ratchet wrench for these little bits. Some flats, Phillips, like little stars. I got these little guys too. So let's go ahead and finish the job up and start throwing everything back in. All right, so the 3rd one's out back there, the far one. Just got these 2 front out, so this guy should be able to come out now. Should. Keyword. Still hooked on something. All right, in order to get that unit out, after you get those 3 screws out, you have to come up under here. This is what controls like the valves right here, this wire does. And it's hooked up right here. You just pull it straight down and then unclip it from this little clip right here, and it sits in there. So get that loose and it'll be free. So go ahead and pull it back now. Oh man, if I can get up. Throw this back down there. Okay. All right, I got her unhooked. This little bastard was fighting me to unplug. He got me a real pretty good look down. My whole handle's all bloody. I was like, oh my God. Freaking bleeding all over. But she fought with me, but we came up on, look at freaking blood everywhere, man. All right, we got her out. Gonna figure out how to take this thing loose, put it on that one so I can go ahead and hook that up first. Just went ahead and took the harness off. Now we gotta go ahead and take this guy off right here. What I'm gonna try to do is just, I don't know if you can really see it, but where it goes into the little hole, I'm gonna try to bend that back and just pull it out. And then put on that one, just use some pliers and flatten it back out when I get it in. So that's what I'm gonna try to do. All right, we got her loose, boys. I'm gonna try to straighten that out with the little pliers right here. Real quick, and then I'm gonna go ahead and throw it in the new one. All right, got the new one installed. I just threw some super glue right up on here since one of the clips are broke over here. I don't want to come loose, so I just threw some super glue right up on here a little bit, and then right back here in that little clip, just so it stays secure. I'm gonna let it dry 15-20 minutes, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start installing everything back in. All right, boys. This is the new one right here. The glue has dried. Moving nice and smooth. Straightened it out as much as I could, but it's, like I said, it's sliding really smooth, so I'm not too worried about it. Go ahead and hook up this harness before I do anything, because you know, a lot of people actually pull this whole cover off right here and then pull the whole dash because it's easier to access back there. But we're not gonna do all that, so we're just gonna go ahead and run the harness, go ahead and slide it back, and then we're gonna run this little black cable down to where it's supposed to go, hook that up, put those two screws in up the top, the one up the back, throw the radio in, hook all that up, zip tie everything, make sure everything's nice and secure and clean. We'll throw that back on, and we'll see what we got going on. All right, boys, moment of truth right here. Get everything installed back how it's supposed to be. Let's go ahead and crank her up. Let's see what we got going on. All right, you guys ready? Oh, Jesus. Motherfuck, we got AC, bro. Compressor turned on. Alright, let's see what she does, man. I'm ready for some AC in this motherfucker. Car's not even warmed up, she's already cool, man. Oh my gosh. 5th time's the charm, I guess. Alright, so I guess it was this button then. We charged the whole unit. I got a whole new AC kit, compressor, the dryer, the O-rings, that little oil. Charged it again, still nothing. Went behind that evap, took the whole, what the hell's that called? Took the glove box loose, took all that down, looked at the evap. Evap was alright, it was blowing good. We cleaned it out anyway. Now, replace that. That's what did it. It sucks doing process of elimination sometimes, but when it's something like AC, you kind of have to, and you can't like just troubleshoot and do stuff like that. But I'm glad she's finally done, man. last time we charged everything, we did it exactly how Honda recommends how to do everything. Looked at some forums. I'm gonna go ahead and put this up to it to see what she's doing, what she's reading. Okay, that's cold, so that's good, and that's freaking hot, so that's good. I'm gonna leave this right here. We're gonna start it up, put it on full AC. Let's see what we got. It's blowing cool, it's just not cold. So I wanna check it. Plus I'm sure driving on the interstate or driving on the highway would help with some airflow. Oops. So, full AC, that's on, that's on. I heard the compressor kick on, I know that. So I guess it's good. Sit for a second, see what she does. Definitely cool, just not cold, but I'll take it over anything. At least it's working, that's all that really matters, right? So it's got a proper charge. I guess the only other thing that could really help is getting some tint for the car, which I plan on doing. But that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you, if you guys have to do this to your Honda, hope you get it all figured out, get it all dialed in. Like I said, sometimes process of elimination, it sucks, but sometimes it's the best way to really do it. Start eliminating a few things that you know the problem could not be. So that's gonna be it, boys. Hope you guys are taking care of yourselves, and I'll see you guys in the next video.